If you're looking for the perfect homemade garlic bread to serve with your Italian dinner, you're in luck. Howard shows us how to make pepperoni garlic bread in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Midweek dinner blues, I have just a thing to get you over the hump. It's a simple recipe that's just as fitting for lunch as it is teamed up with a salad for dinner. Let me tell you, it's perfect on those nights when all you want to do is curl up on the couch with a movie. I'm talking about a loaded pizza-style garlic bread that's nothing short of, well, let's just say amazing. We start by combining some olive oil, fresh minced garlic, and a little salt and pepper. This gets brushed over the cut side of a crusty Italian bread. Make sure you slather this generously. It's what gives this dish lots of flavor. Over that goes chopped plum tomatoes, some sliced pepperoni that we've chopped, and a good amount of shredded mozzarella cheese. Now we'll bake this in a really hot oven, just long enough for the edges to get toasty and the cheese to melt. Sprinkle on some scallions, slice it with a serrated knife, and it's ready to dig into. It's sort of a cross between the best garlic bread you've ever had and an ooey gooey pepperoni pizza. To get the recipe for our pepperoni garlic bread, simply check out our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a garlicky great way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. It's good?
It looks good. Well, you can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just log on to our website, KOAMnewsnow.com. Here's a look at our